Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're thriving. I hope you're having a beautiful, gorgeous day. Even though it's been a little hotter than we're probably used to, but hello summer, she's here to stay. So today is an exciting day. Hopefully if everything works out, yeah. And even if it doesn't, you know, God is still good. But anyways, today is an exciting day because we are potentially going to buy a new vehicle, a new family car. So this is something that we've been thinking about for a while, something that we've really been considering for a while. My husband and I have been doing our research for a while. And so yeah, we are going to go to the dealership today and see what happens. And if you've ever purchased a car from a dealership, and if you've ever gone to a dealership, you know how exhausting and tedious that can be sometimes. So pray for us. Yeah, I'm gonna be praying that God, you know, just, you know, has something for us. But anyways, we'll see. So let's get going. So this is one option. You guys, so right now I am at the bank pulling out money for said vehicle. Yeah, I'm excited. So everything looks like it's going smoothly, like we're going to be able to go home with our new family vehicle. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hopefully at the end of this video we will have a car tour slash prepare my new car video. But yeah, I'm excited, so let's see.
Okay. Get in. Put on the tongue. Yeah.
What do you think? You like your new car? Yeah?
It's awesome.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.